Hi Crafty Angels, so that's from AngelRose Designs. And I'm here today to show you another project that I am working on. And I will do another video when it's completed. I want to show y'all how far I've gotten and things like that. What you see here is going to be an ephemera book that I'm making for myself. I haven't seen any videos on it. I haven't watched any on it. I just put the picture in my mind and made my own. Okay. First here you're going to see some ruffled trim with pearls that was gifted to me. The lace fabric and the peacock fabric on the bottom have been gifted to me. The elastic I purchased, and that's to use as a belly band. As you can see, the top and bottom match. So is the back and the panel there. Just a second. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far on the inside. I've made a pocket here and a pocket here. And these are all file folders. Business file folders. I just took it. I'll do a tutorial on how I did it. And then I got a pocket here and a pocket here. This side I don't have any idea what I'm going to do with it yet. That's why I'm saying it's not quite done. On all the pages on this side, I have 2 pockets on each one for my ephemera. Here I got 2 pockets. And I didn't seal this one because I don't want to seal it yet. And this trim and this trim here, I don't remember where I got it. I think it was gifted to me. Along with this trim was gifted. No, purchased. This was purchased. This was purchased. This is purchased. And you see I have 2 pockets here. Let's see, to show y'all the pocket. That's too big. What can I use to show y'all the pockets? How about a ruler? Yeah, one here. One here. The top one is deeper than the bottom. This one's shorter than the back one. The back one goes in, I think, about 2 inches. You see, it stops here, and I'll tell y'all just how deep it is. Well, I got the ruler upside down for one. So we're going to go this way. About 4 inches deep, which is pretty good for a pocket. And this one is maybe about 2 inches, 1.5 inches deep. And all the pockets are the same. You know, depending. This one here is a little bit shorter. This one's about 1 inch. No, it's 1.5 inches. Okay. This was purchased. This is off right here. Another off right here. And I have some more of the lace trim that I'll fold it over. And then some more lace trim here that was a purchase. And I only have 1 pocket here. So, and here's the back. So as soon as I have the rest of it done, I'll do another project share on it. I just wanted to get it out of the way for right now, because I still have a lot of work to do to it. Okay, so that is another project share for today. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, thank you all for watching. Be kind, be brave, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.